Pull stations are devices that are going to be required on every single required fire alarm system. Let's take 2 minutes to learn a little bit more about them. Your pull station, or as the code recognizes it, manually actuated alarm initiating device, provides manual initiation method for the system. It's a manual fire alarm box and it has to be red. Pull stations for fire alarm are red. Other manual alarm initiating devices can be other colors, but red is reserved for fire alarm. Now, what if you've got a red wall? You can always use a contrasting background, but the pull station itself is always going to be red. With pull stations, you've got different actions. You may see a pull station that's a single action, which means you only have to take one action to initiate it. You may also see dual action, which requires most of the time two things to happen. In the example here, we have a lift and pull. Some of them, it's a push in, then pull. Two actions are required. You also have key operated pull stations. We don't see these very often. You need a key in order to activate the pull station, not to reset it, but to actually activate it. Non-fire alarm pull stations are going to be different colors. If it is red, it is reserved for fire. Now, with the mounting height of your pull stations, they have to be mounted between 3.5 to 4 feet above the finished floor to the actuator, or 42 inches to 48 inches. The actuator is the part that does the actual moving. When it comes to the location of our pull stations, they are required to be at every exit within 5 feet of the door. You're not supposed to have more than 200 feet travel distance from one pull station to the next along the path of egress. If you have grouped openings that are greater than 40 feet in width, you'll need a pull station on either side. And if you've got multiple floors to a building, you need to have a minimum of one pull station per floor. So again, with our location within 5 feet of all exit doors, uh, one on either side of grouped openings that are greater than 40 feet in width, and no more than 200 feet travel distance along the path of egress. So we have a room that's 100 by 400 feet. How many pull stations are going to be required? We're going to need to have four, one for every exit, and we are no more than 200 feet from the farthest distance that we can be in the room away from a pull station. We are no more than 200 feet from.